What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you a new feature that was added into Edge just as well as Chrome. So you can basically create QR codes out of any web page or any picture that you load in the new Microsoft Edge Chromium browser. So this is Edge nowadays. I mean, it's not really called Edge Chromium, it's just Edge, but it adopted a lot of the features that Google Chrome had. And along with this new Google Chrome update where you can right click on a page and create a QR code, you can do it in Edge as well, basically. So let's say I want to create a QR code for my YouTube channel. I just right click anywhere on the page and then do create a QR code for this page. And here we go. So you can just scan this like it is with your phone. Like if you have a QR code built into your camera, you can just open your camera app and just go over this, and if something happens, then you do have it built in. And if nothing happens, that means you need to download a QR code scanner. So go to the App Store, download a QR code scanner. They exist in any app store, don't worry about it. And then go on the app and just hover over this with your camera on, and it should bring you to this website. So if you want to download it as an image and give it to your friends, you know, like as advertising, let's say, just click download here. Oh, this popped up for a sec. What do you want to do with blah blah blah? Save as. You can just do save. And there we go. It's been downloaded in my downloads folder, so I could just click open file. And here it is. So that's how I created a QR code for this specific page, my YouTube channel. You can do that for any page you want. You could do it for Google if you want. As you can see, create a QR code for this page. But what's cool is that you can do it for images as well. So like let's say I want to do it for this thumbnail right here. I could just right click. Create a QR code for this image. Here we go. So if I do create a QR code for this image and I click download, it should bring me to, like, let's say, how do I show this off, basically? Open image in new tab. So basically, if I open this QR code on my phone for this image, it should basically just show up as this. So this is a little GIF right now, but it would just show up as my thumbnail, basically. It'd just be a separate web page with a thumbnail on it. So you can do that for any image, pretty much. Like as you can see, create a QR code for this image. And I could open this in a new tab as well, just to show you what that would look like. That's what it would look like if I went through the QR code for that image, basically. So that's how you create QR codes in Microsoft Edge. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Let's grow this channel. Let's go. Thanks for watching.